Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can turn on or turn off motivational messages in the Duolingo language learning application. So let us begin. In the first step, let me launch the Duolingo app on my Android phone, and from here guys, what you want to do is navigate to your user profile. To do that, tap into that face icon here at the bottom among these tabs, and here in the top right corner tap into that gear icon to access your or to edit your profile settings. So let me do that really quickly, and after that you will be redirected to your account settings. So from here swipe down till you get to, let me find it, to the general settings, and here guys you may enable or disable the motivational messages. I will keep them turned on, for example, because I like them, but you can do handle that like you want. For example, tap into save in the top right corner to save these changes, and that should do it. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.